alligator chomping with a smile. B is for bear, who can dance for a while. C is for cat, who loves to play. E is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox, running through the land. G is for giraffe, tall and bright. H is for horse, galloping with delight. I is for iguana, green and small. J is for jellyfish, floating in the hole. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lion, roaring today. M is for monkey, climbing up high. N is for nightingale, singing in the sky. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling delight. Q is for quail, quick on her feet. R is for rabbit, so soft and sweet. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with a mighty cry. U is for unicorn, magic and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, swimming free. Y is for yak, with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.